subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Lenovo launched the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2021 with an 11.5-inch 2.5K OLED screen, a battery capacity of 8600 mAh, support for Wi-Fi 6, QC 3.0 fast charging, and microSD card storage expansion. Running ZUI version 12.6, the Xiaoxin Pad Pro that already supports parallel windows, rest screen display, and other features. Lenovo officially announced another version of it with a bigger display, that is Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 12.6. As the name suggests, it will be packing a 12.6-inch large display. Officially, the new pad will be pre-installed with ZUI 13 system. Official poster shows that the Lenovo Pad Pro 12.6 has a 12.6-inch screen with a full-screen design, supports the stylus, and is equipped with a Type-C interface. Display is a Samsung OLED screen, supports a 120Hz refresh rate and 2560x1600 resolution. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.